Yes, I know that it's a little embarrassing. I told my wife that maybe this tie is too much, but that's all. Before we begin, I need to do things because I'm dressed like that, and I have many people in this room. So I wanted to make a picture with you, if you permit. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I will put that in my pockets, and we will continue. So maybe in your mind, you say that I'm lose 100% of credibility, but I will show you during this presentation that you're completely wrong. And you will understand, I hope that you will understand why I'm like that, and I will show you how to level up your monitoring as an experienced Zabbix beginner, okay? It will, how to help you. Sorry, I don't have the click button, okay. Thank you, Alexei. So welcome to the Summit 2023. Maybe this is the first one for you, and welcome, and I hope that you see technical things interesting, you meet incredible, interesting people, so that's why we, and thanks Alexei and the Zabbix team for the Summit, that's why the Summit takes place. So I will show you, I will try to help you to become an expert, not in 30 minutes, of course, but because Zabbix is so powerful, it can do a lot of things. As you may know, Zabbix is completely free, open source, as I said. So I will try to cover what is the basic things that you should learn and what you have to do to become an expert. So everything begins with Zabbix. As you can see, I am at the start. I am a baby giraffe, so I will begin my journey. So there are three components, three major components. Zabbix server. Maybe you know that Zabbix server. What is the role of Zabbix server? Did you know? No? Even one person? Ooh. No, okay. So Zabbix server is responsible of inserting the data collected by the proxy, by the agent in the database. So this is the brain of the solution, and it could also send notification and evaluate the data collected compared to the trigger that you set up in Zabbix, in the front end, of course. The Zabbix database is the second, or maybe the first main component, because it will store all the configuration and all data, historical data and trends data. So you have many tables in Zabbix database, more than 173, I think. And you have 5 major tables for historical data and 2 tables for trends data. That's all that in these tables, you will keep all the information, all the important information regarding the collect, regarding the graph that you want to have in the front end. And the Zabbix proxy is like the Zabbix server, but he has no intelligence. He's not capable of writing the main database because the proxy got a database, but is the relay between the agent and the Zabbix server. Okay? And to continue this presentation, ladies and gentlemen, I need my friend from Initmax. 4 persons, please. Initmax, come on the stage. And we will show you the flow. Okay, applause them, please. And you will use, of course, banana. Okay? So you will be the server, the database,
thank you,
the proxy, and the agent. Okay? So if I show you the flow of the collected data, I have the server. I am the front end, so you configure an item, triggers, and so on. I will talk to the server, okay? You have to do this, my friend, okay? And he will insert the data in the database. So database, you should, okay, server, no, stay behind. Database is almost behind the server. You will pass the information to the database to store the data. The proxy, active or passive mode, it depends. You will be what? An active proxy or passive proxy?
maybe active.
Active one? Okay, so active one, he will catch information from the Zabbix server. Oh, this is the data. No, you are the database. Oh. Server? No, this is the server. Proxy, hop. Configuration.
Yep.
And the agent. Active or proxy, the same things. If you are active, you will catch the information from the proxy. Okay? Understand? And if you are in a passive mode, where we are an agent in a passive mode, the proxy will prepare. Okay, what is the data? I will ask for a key, and it will return a result to me. Okay? Ah, yes. So this is the flow. Thank you, guys. Thank you. If you want to put the banana right there. So this is the basic of Zabbix, okay? We have the front end, the server, database, proxy, and agent, and everything is working together. Not like these guys because they don't know how to work together. So you have to learn how to install Zabbix agent because there are several systems, operating system, version, Windows, Linux, HP UX, Solaris, and so on. So you have to learn the installation of the agent. Agent 1, Agent 2, you say maybe Agent 2 is not the replacement of Agent 1. It's just a major Zabbix agent with a lot of power and plugins. And I think that maybe in the roadmap, Zabbix Agent 2 will improve a lot. So we will see. Zabbix agent and Zabbix proxy. You have to learn how they work to retrieve the data, because proxy is capable also of collecting data from, for example, SNMP device. So you need to use Zabbix proxy to collect this data. And also, if you have a distributed environment to collect the agent far away from your Zabbix server, for example, to avoid latency on the network and so on, okay? After that, you need to focus on host and host group, because host, it's not complicated. This is a device that you want to monitor, an agent Zabbix, a network device, for example. But regarding the host group, you have to make a reflection on how to create the host group, because this is a vision essential, a component essential in your front end, in your structure. You need to align your host group like the group that you have in your company. Okay, the structure of your company should be the reflect of the structure of the host group. And thanks for the nested host group that we have, now we can easily manage host group with inheritance and so on. Okay, so once you get that, you have make a reflection about host group. You're ready to go for the items, dependencies, and triggers. And thanks to the previous speakers, because I think that this is a resume of the previous speak that you have, that you see previously. The item is capable of collect. Dependencies between the triggers to avoid a lot of alert. Thanks, Riyad, for that, to avoid the alert fatigue. And the triggers to also make usage of the function, the correct function, instead of using last function, for example, you use min, max with a value or a number of collected value. That's how you learn about Zabbix. That's how you learn about the basic of Zabbix. And we have also our little minion, our little companion, the templates. Templates simplify the configuration that you have. You will create several templates because you want to monitor in several ways your device. So the templates will easily provide you, easily assist you to deploy this monitoring on a multiple host, okay? So you have normally the same thing on the same host. But sometimes there is one component that does not act like the others. After that, you need to set up action and notification, thanks to the webhook to to add more values to Zabbix, because now we're able to create some tickets native in ServiceNow, in GLPI, over ITSM solution. We could also send an email, send notification to WhatsApp, Teams, okay, natively with Zabbix. So use data collection, templates, action, notification, and after you need to create dashboard, because this is a essential part of representation, the data that you have in your database, in your Zabbix database, with the front end. And thanks to we will see 7.0 version of Zabbix, the next LTS, that give us a lot of improvement regarding usability, regarding widget also, because we have charts, Gauge, Pie, Donuts that will improve our life, that will give a new vision of our dashboard, okay? And after that, you will be able to use this dashboard in reporting, on the television, for example, that you put on a desk or on a TV. And after that, how to become an expert. How to be at my level. Did you catch it? I am the giraffe. This is the giraffe. Okay. So how to be higher, how to know a lot about Zabbix like me. Custom monitoring. We have a talk previously about from Initmax, and thanks, this was very, very interesting, guys. So you have to master item function, item script, for example, using JavaScript preprocessing to be able to do like this guy, to say that, okay, Zabbix is capable of all. You can not say, I'm not be able to do that with Zabbix. Okay? Zabbix is a very, very modern tool and usable tool that you could make up and down and so on. And after that, you will be able to monitor your device, your application that you need. Okay? Things after that of create your own templates, because Zabbix community, we have zabbix.com/integration. There is a lot of templates. Maybe you know about it. Zabbix community templates was also merged with that. But if you want to create your own templates, you need, of course, to master the basic of item, triggers, and so on, to be able after that to create your own custom. Because when we are giving some training, some Zabbix training, we have this instruction to say, this is normal things, but do not keep an item, even if it is an item that you don't use on one host. But if you are not using this item on several hosts, 100 hosts, for example, 1,000 hosts, it will be one item, 100, 1,000. So it will occupy. You will have to take care of your configuration cache, for example, your backup, everything else. So create your own templates to avoid these things. And thanks for the master and dependent item. This is a new functionality of Zabbix since Zabbix 5, I mean, maybe 4.4, I don't remember exactly. You could interact with your application one time and then gather data for several and several dependent items. So I think that this is the next part, the next step to master Zabbix and become an expert. And also, I'm sorry for that. I'm very, very sorry. You need to, of course, to master the banana. So, banana. Banana. Okay? So, if you were there the last year, are you ready? Banana! Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay.
After that, you need to, of course, because your infrastructure, your Zabbix instance will be production ready, will grow a lot, because if you've done and you learn how to engage with Zabbix, how to use, many people, other departments will say, okay, you show us that Zabbix is really reliable, we could use Zabbix. Okay, help me to do that, help me to integrate another environment in Zabbix. So you have to learn how to optimize performance, because the main things I said, this is not a Zabbix server, but a database. You need to learn how to optimize the database. For example, by using TimescaleDB, for example, use usage of partitioning if you are in MySQL, MariaDB. Okay, do these things, it will avoid you a lot of trouble regarding the database and the response time of the database. Scaling, we are waiting for Zabbix 7.0 to have the vertical scaling because of the utilization of the pooler and the different process that Alexei showed us in the morning, and horizontally because of the proxy. If you use some proxy, you will be able to split the load on several proxies, okay? If you are monitoring a large infrastructure. And also master the capabilities of the processing. You will be able, to transform your data, to extract the data that you need, and take advantage of this extraction to register in the database the right thing, okay? Avoid the user parameter with pipe awk, pipe grep, and so on. Use this pre-processing step in Zabbix instead of using user parameter, like we said previously regarding the timeout of your script. So put all your data in Zabbix, and Zabbix will work to do the pre-processing after that. Regarding automation and integration, there is also, Zabbix is capable to do some automation and integration. Automation, because what you have to use, for example, Zabbix script and Zabbix action to automate some things. For example, if you want to do automatic remediation with Zabbix agent or with something else, for example, Dimitri, if I say Rundeck, will be very happy with that. You have to speak fluently Zabbix API, because Zabbix API, you could do everything with Zabbix API. If you remember, there are almost 273 methods in Zabbix. All things that you are done with your mouse, you could do it with API. I think that there is, just for the maintenance, we are not able at this moment to retrieve the status of the maintenance. Maybe if there is some Zabbix developer, it could be ZBX Next to have the capabilities to retrieve the status of the maintenance with the API. But focus on Zabbix API, using Python, using PowerShell if you want, using some script, because it will help you to understand how Zabbix works and help you to improve regarding scripting language, for example. So you will learn a lot. And regarding integration with other tools, we have real-time export, for example. We have also native connector for Zabbix. I give a workshop tomorrow morning, if you want, regarding the streaming event with Zabbix to another solution. So feel free to register if you want. Can I have an estimation of who will attend to this workshop? If you put your hand in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we will make a breakfast. And for sure, I will not be dressed like that, okay? And once you master all these things, automation, integration, templates, and so on, you will make monitoring platform easy to use, okay? Regarding security and access management, Alexei told this morning that, yes, we have implemented security everywhere in Zabbix to protect your database, to protect communication between Zabbix agent, Zabbix proxy, between Zabbix proxy and Zabbix server. If you want to protect your front end, you have to use HTTPS, your own certificate, for example, but you could secure Zabbix even with the, to protect the key, the item that you want to use, or deny to use on the Zabbix agent, for example. So Zabbix is very secure, and once again, Alex say that they have this external audit to prove that, okay, Zabbix is very focused on security. Usage on user and user role, because we talked previously about the host group to copy the structure of your Active Directory, for example, or your internal organization. But after that, you have to manage with this host group the permission for the user. Are they able to see the config menu? Are they able to see the maintenance period? Are they able to administrate the user, create some host group? Okay. If you take a look at the 6.4 menu, there are some modifications, some new features regarding the menu. I think that this is to give us a better way to improve security, to improve permission management with Zabbix and the user roles. And after that, became a Zabbix expert is also advanced monitoring. For example, master the discovery of your network, of your device, for example. If you are able to do that and to manage, detect quickly the different devices that you have on your network, thanks to Zabbix discovery rules for that. Okay, you could put, okay, I will create a new discovery rule based on ping, based on SNMP system description OID, for example, and you will manage automatically your infrastructure, your network infrastructure, okay? And thanks also for the new trigger function to be able to provide us some data analysis. This is not the future, we are not in the AI area, but it begins because we have some trend prediction, trend function, for example. I don't remember who was talking about, I think that the guy from the same bank, sorry if I missed you, but you have introduced this function. We have also function based on the data that you have in trend to show for a long term period what's going on with the data you collect in Zabbix. So master these capabilities, the data analysis, to be sure that you will be able to create some capacity reports and other stuff to estimate, okay, I saw that in the past we have these things happen, and I will ask Zabbix how in the future it could happen or not. I think that number of slide is completely wrong because there is an error, I think. In conclusion, Zabbix is a very powerful and flexible solution, third-party integration, API. You could split all the components on several machines if you want. You could also monitor if you have a little infrastructure or if you have a big infrastructure. I speak with someone in this room, and I think that maybe next year we'll talk about his infrastructure. He's able to monitor more than 80,000 on-device based on Zabbix. Okay, what's your use data? So, of course, starting with Zabbix, we need to begin as a baby, and you will grow fast. Because if you remember what you've learned, if you try every day, okay, to try, to fall, and you rise up and do it one more time, you will be able to learn some new things. And of course, because of Zabbix, we have a huge community from Brazil to Asia to Europe. We have several communities in the world. So you could interact also with the Zabbix team if you want to learn some new things. Go to Zabbix webinar and so on to learn new things. In a resume, maybe you have in mind that Zabbix is a solution, but it's not the solution to your problem. This is the tool to guide you, to help you to resolve your problem, okay? Keep in mind that Zabbix is a tool, not the main solution. If you are unable to do these things with Another tool, Zabbix will not help you. It is a tool that you have to learn to be sure that it will help you to resolve your problem, okay? So I speak a lot. I did not introduce myself, neither my company. So we are EasyIT, a French partner since 6 years, and maybe more than 6 years. I'm Steve Destivelle, CEO of Zabbix company, sorry. Of EasyIT. Yes, CEO is dressing like that, yes, sorry. But if I could take an advantage, because being off the stage and say one more time, show my love to Zabbix one more time, because it's because of you guys that today I could say that we are the biggest integrator in France, focus mainly on Zabbix. We have 10 people doing Zabbix every day, only Zabbix every day, and this is because of Zabbix, and so many, many thanks for that. So if you want to learn more about us, we have a booth. We have also some goodies if you want. I could make a dance for you if you want, okay? Yes. We will see later, okay? So if you are a member of the French-speaking community, join us on Discord, join us on the French part of the Zabbix forum, Zabbix official forum. Join Jomainen, and don't forget, level up your monitoring, enjoy, and love banana. Thank you.
Banana!
So now, oh, sorry, I could have the screen, please, one more time. Our logo is the head of the giraffe, because in the giraffe, it's the taller animal that you can see, and this animal look around like the monitoring and be able to anticipate every problem. That's why I use this gist, and that's why we have this logo. Thanks.